the heck is going on, bro? This storm is a chill right now. What the freak? Holy. Get the, oh man, it got locked. Ah, shoot. Oh shoot, those chocolates.